once you're in dev sorry once you're in developer.apple.com, click on the account. If you're going at the initial stage, it asks for username and password. You need an Apple developer account for that, and click on certificate identifier and profile. If you already have a Mac, already have a certificate, some of the certificate which will be listed here. If not, we have to create a new certificate for that. And for creating a new certificate, you have to click on this certificate plus icon. You click on plus icon, and we have to create what kind of certificate we have. We have to develop an iOS app, so that I have to click on iOS app development. And this is the one, what are the service that we going to use for Apple provided so much of service, but we are not going to use all the service. But some of the service they are restricted, like Apple push notification. You click on select an Apple push notification and click on continue. Once you click continue, it asks for what is your app ID. This certificate for which thing that we're going to create some of the app, like it will be listed here already in the package. You click on the tab and click on continue, and it asks for the new certificate, which means it's a signing certificate. It comes from our development machine. If you click on this learn more, it will says how to export that certificate from that account. You have to go to keychain utilities and save to this. I will provide you a certificate for that. And finally, if you click on continue, it will be listed like this. And if you click on that certificate, you have to click download to download this app certificate, so that it will be installed in our app. And next thing what we have to do is click on this identifier, and we have to add our identifier. You click on plus, and you click on this app ID and click on continue. And of course this is our app. You click on app, and we have to select what app is ours. You give some description like application, and bundle ID you select on wildcard, and you just select com dot stph dot start. And finally everything is protected here. As you see now in our purchase, push notification is disabled. This is because we have to select an explicit bundle ID com.stph.app. Then we have to select push notifications, and finally click on continue and register. It will register an application, and it will be here in STPH application. Yeah, that's it.